Hello children, we have already read the lesson Nasruddin's Aim and we have started doing its exercise questions. Today we'll move forward with its exercise. Let's begin. Today's exercise is based on some games. Fill in the grid with words given below. You can use one word more than once. So this is a box. Here you have some words. You have to use these words to fill this table. You have to complete this table. Let's see what is there in this table. Name of the game. First column is name of the game. Here we have different games: cricket, hockey, table tennis, football. Let's read it once again. Cricket, hockey, table tennis, football. Now what you have to write is these three columns. You have to complete these three columns from this box. These are the words that will help you. First column is what you play with. That means this game, what are the things that you need to play this game. In this box you will write what are the things that you need to play cricket. Then where you play it, the place where you play this game. In this box you will write that. So in this box you will write where you play cricket. Then number of players. How many players are there in this game? So like this you will complete it for all the four games. First cricket, then hockey, then table tennis, and then football. In all these games you have to write the things with which you play them, the places where you play them, and number of players in each game. So let's begin doing it one by one. So our first game is cricket. So this is our help box and you have to write these three columns. First game is cricket. What you play with. So try to find out what are the things with which you play cricket. Stick, bat ball, 11, table, racket, ball, stadium, football. 2 to 4, ground. So what you play with? What are the things with which you play cricket? I think you know the answer. It's bat, ball. These are the things that you need to play cricket. Then where you play it? Place. Which place? It can be stadium, it can be ground. It cannot be table. So you play cricket either in ground or stadium. What is the difference between ground and stadium? In stadium you have the ground, along with that you have seats for the audience. स्टेडियम में ग्राउंड भी होता है और जो मैच देखने जाते हैं उन लोगों के बैठने के लिए सीट्स भी होती है चारों तरफ, उसे स्टेडियम कहते हैं. Then at last, number of players. How many players are there in one team when you play cricket? There are two numbers given here, 11 or 2 to 4. Which one is correct? It is 11. So, in cricket, you play it with bat ball. You play it in the ground or stadium. And how many players are there? 11. 11 in one team. You can see here, this is the stadium. Cricket is being played in stadium. You have a ground here and then seats for the audience. Next, hockey. Our next game is hockey. So what you play with? What are the things with which you play hockey? Stick, ball, stadium, football, 11, table, 2 to 4, ground, racket. Which can be the correct answer? Correct answer is stick and ball. You play hockey with hockey stick and ball. This is how the hockey stick looks like. Where you play it? So again, you play it in ground or stadium. Then number of players. How many players are there in hockey team? Again, it is 11. There are 11 players in one hockey team. So in this picture also you can see the stadium where hockey is being played. Next game is table tennis. What you play with? What are the things with which you play it? It is racket and ball. You have a small ball in tennis and the racket is also very small. This is how the table tennis racket looks like. Next, where you play it? You play it on a table. As the name suggests, it is table tennis. So you play it on a table. Number of players. How many players are there in table tennis? Can you tell? In this picture you can see 2 players and it can be played between 4 players also. So number of players is 2 to 4. 2 players can also play and 4 players can also play this game. Next game is football, and I think you all must know it is played using a football. नाम ही फुटबॉल है इस गेम का. उसे किससे खेला जाता है? फुटबॉल से ही खेला जाता है. Where you play it? The place. Again it is ground or stadium. फुटबॉल को भी हम कहाँ खेलते हैं? ग्राउंड या स्टेडियम में. एंड हाउ मैनी प्लेयर्स आर देयर इन वन टीम? 11 या 2 to 4? विच वन विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? करेक्ट आंसर इज 11. देयर आर 11 प्लेयर्स इन अ फुटबॉल टीम. सो वी हैव completed this table with all the answers. Now your homework is using the information in the grid, the table that you have completed. Write a sentence about each game. One has been done for you. So there were 4 games. About one game some sentences are written here, and like this you will write sentences about other 3 games. About cricket it is written here. Cricket is an outdoor game. Outdoor games means you play it outside your house. We play it with a bat and a ball. There are 11 players in this game. तो हमारे उस ग्रिड में क्या था? 3 कॉलम्स थे जो हमने हर गेम के बारे में पूरे किए थे. अब उन 3 कॉलम्स की हेल्प से आप हर एक गेम के बारे में 3-3 सेंटेंसेस लिखेंगे. जैसे यहाँ क्रिकेट के बारे में लिखे हुए हैं, आप फुटबॉल के बारे में लिखेंगे, हॉकी के बारे में 3 सेंटेंस लिखेंगे और टेबल टेनिस के बारे में 3 सेंटेंस लिखेंगे. और उसी इन्फॉर्मेशन को आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. If you have to write about table tennis, what you will write? Table tennis is an indoor game because it is played on a table which can be placed inside your house. We play it with a bat and a ball. In tennis you will write we play it with a racket and a ball. There are 11 players in this game. In tennis you will write there are 2 to 4 players in this game. So I hope you have understood your task. So complete your homework and send it to me. Thank you and have a nice day.